Hey guys, so this is a tutorial where you will be getting to know how to convert an OSM mapping data into an 3D contextual model or a 2D diagram of a city. So here we are going to use Elk, which is a Grasshopper plugin in Rhino. You can also get directly contextual model in 3ds Max, but if you're more fond of or adaptable to Rhino, you can use this procedure. So for first Elk, you have to download Elk from Food for Rhino and download the latest version from here. This is the output you get after passing the OSM data to Elk, and it converts it into a polyline and 3D. As per the 3D height, you get the more contextual model of it for analysis. So after downloading the zip file from here, you can what you have to do is select on the properties, check on the unblock box and apply, because if you don't, then you individually have to select all the files, each of the files present inside the folder, and unblock it. So before unzipping it, unblock the files and drag and drop it over here. I have already done that, and you can find it inside the extra folder. These three are the components of it. We are going to use location and OSM data. So firstly, you have to create a new Rhino file, which should be in meters because the OSM data is in meters. And after that, for the OSM file path location, you have to first download an data of an area from openstreetmap.org.com, and here you can get individual building line and polylines with the street networks, railway lines, and the parks. All the information is provided under this map, and there may be some of the areas where you won't be getting the individual blocks and its properties or the heights of it for modeling. So you can get some of the area details from VEC. For this video, I'm going to use Melbourne Central Business District, and I will be selecting a narrow area so that it is quick and export it. After exporting, you can pass on the file path by selecting in location of it, which is inside the download folder. Passing on the file path location, pass the OSM data and file to the OSM component. And it might take some time. If you have a larger context, it will take more time. And these are the points which are being created from the area selected, and after that we'll create geometry based on the points. As you can see, some of the surfaces are in 3D because it has height data inputted in, and some of them are left unextruded because it doesn't have the specific information. So you can correct this using Urbano or some data, getting some data into it and link it with Urbano to get all this 3D information, 3D height information. So after that, using the surfaces, we can create geometry. and hide this point to get in clear model. If you want to show analysis of street networks or highways and primary laneways, you can also copy it, and when you right click you can find different informations which you can overlay on the map. I'm going to use a highway, and a highway are like the lines, so we have to use polyline for that, and export that to, as you can see, these are the networks found, and you can customize your preview or map it as you want the output of it, and color swatch. Yeah. So from this you can get your 3D model, and if you want tree data you can copy it further, natural, natural, and those are the points, so we have to connect it to the points, so we can manually put circles or points to it. We'll enable it, and if you like, some of the buildings are just left out. If you want to be plan to be studied further in 2D, so what you can do is, rather than geometry you can go with the polyline and add some surface to create an map diagram which can be customized further. Also, as you view it from top, it might look this way. So you can use this map for urban street analysis or street junctions to be designed, like reserved space or left out areas, which can be further used for path analysis and visual analysis. So this is how you get the model from OSM website or mapping data into Rhino. Thank you.